What if the next DJI Air drone becomes the biggest upgrade the series has ever seen? Not just a small camera tweak or better battery life. I'm talking triple cameras, possible LiDAR tech, and maybe even a sub-250-gram design. It sounds almost unreal, but the latest DJI Air 4 leaks are painting a very interesting picture. And if these rumors turn out to be true, this drone could completely shake up DJI's lineup. So in this video, let's break down what leaked, why people are taking it seriously, and the feature that could change everything for creators. For months, the DJI Air 4 was floating around as one of those maybe it exists rumors. But things escalated pretty quickly after trusted leakers started spotting references to the drone inside a Chinese flight reporting platform tied to drone compliance systems. Now that's important because these systems usually don't randomly generate unreleased model names. If a product is already appearing there, it often means development is far beyond the early concept stage. In other words, DJI might already be deep into testing. And apparently multiple prototype versions could already be flying around right now. That alone is exciting, but the crazier part is what insiders are saying about the hardware hidden inside this thing. This is where the rumors start sounding almost too good. Multiple reports are pointing toward a triple camera setup, potentially using large 1-inch sensors. If that happens, the Air 4 would jump into a completely different category of drone performance. Better low-light shots, cleaner dynamic range, more flexible focal lengths, basically a much more professional imaging experience without stepping all the way up to the Mavic line. Imagine switching between ultra-wide, medium telephoto, and a tighter zoom seamlessly while traveling with a compact drone. That's the dream DJI seems to be chasing here. And if DJI also improves computational photography and video processing alongside the hardware, creators could end up getting footage that feels dangerously close to flagship territory, which honestly raises a weird question. If the Air 4 gets this powerful, what exactly happens to the Mavic lineup? Everyone's focused on the cameras, but the bigger upgrade might actually be the sensing system. Early prototype leaks mention redesigned obstacle sensors and a new top-mounted array that looks very different from previous Air drones. Some insiders even believe DJI could bring lightweight LiDAR-assisted navigation to the Air series for the first time. If that happens, low-light obstacle avoidance could improve massively. Current compact drones are smart, but they still struggle in darker environments. LiDAR could make flying through forest trails at sunset, indoor cinematic spaces, or city streets at night much safer and more reliable. And honestly, DJI has a history of bringing flagship features down to more mainstream drones over time. Now here's the rumor everyone's debating online. There's speculation that at least one version of the DJI Air 4 could stay under 250 grams, and if DJI somehow pulls that off while keeping multiple cameras and advanced obstacle sensing, that would be seriously impressive engineering. The biggest advantage isn't just portability, it's regulation. In many countries, staying under 250 grams means fewer restrictions and less hassle for travelers. So a lightweight Air series drone with pro-level image quality could become the ultimate travel creator drone overnight. Of course, this rumor is still unconfirmed, and honestly, I'm a bit skeptical. Triple cameras, bigger batteries, and stronger sensors add weight fast. But DJI has surprised us before, so anything's possible right now. Right now, most insiders are pointing toward a late 2026 launch, likely between September and November. That timing lines up with DJI's usual release cycle. But there's still one big concern, especially for US buyers. The Air 4 hasn't appeared in FCC filings yet, and with the ongoing regulatory pressure around DJI, future launches could face complications in the American market. Still, if DJI launches this globally with the rumored specs intact, the Air 4 could easily become one of the biggest drone releases of the year. Honestly, the DJI Air 4 is sounding less like a normal upgrade and more like a compact flagship drone. Triple cameras, possible LiDAR, and maybe even sub 250 grams? That's a wild combination if DJI actually pulls it off. But what do you think? Would you wait for the Air 4 or grab the Air 3S right now? And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned because the drone leaks this year are getting crazy.